Traffic sign recognition is a driver assistance system that can automatically recognize road signs and help the driver to respect speed limits and no overtaking zones. The system is always active when the engine is switched on and can be temporarily deactivated by selecting the driver assistance menu on the touchscreen display and then selecting traffic sign recognition. Using the settings menu, the user can add an alert for when speed limits are exceeded. The system detects road signs using a video camera mounted at the top of the windscreen, which can recognize road signs along the route, including speed limits, no overtaking signs or signs indicating that a prohibition has ended, conditional speed limits. The signs are displayed in real time on the instrument panel. If a sign is not sufficiently visible, it will be displayed with a dotted line.